Hello, I'm Lisa Young. Welcome to my channel. I'm reviewing the Qfun Laminator, and it is so much fun. We made some bookmarks and some page separators. It was a lot of fun. There's another box inside. Okay, we'll put that down. Comes with some sheets. Need help with it.
I thought that was raw.
This is a cutter.
A cutter.
What's this? Some nails.
I'm not sure what that is.
That's a corner punch, I think.
Oh.
Cool.
And then I think
Stapler.
yeah, a really tiny one.
Plug it in.
Like that.
And then, I think, there you go.
And it's not like a super hard press, you just like tap it.
And we're gonna be on 5mm. The paper we're using is 5mm. So you wanna push that selector up to 5. There you go. And then,
I guess you put it on one side and on the other side.
yeah.
Because that's like
Yeah. So I think you're gonna put it here.
it says 80 years.
That in until it gets through.
Very slow. That would fit the other one. Oh, that's cool. And it'd be fun when you're bored, you can just mess. The fun part about it is just